Hi there, I am Joe Indris. I'm a history teacher at Upper Arlington High School in Columbus, Ohio, and welcome to my lectures on United States history. So I just want to give you a brief background on these lectures. Almost all of these lectures were recorded during the global pandemic, so I started recording them in the spring of 2020, and I completed recording them in the spring of 2021. These lectures are long, but they reflect exactly what I would be doing in the classroom for each unit. So they're really no longer than what a student would get in the classroom. Uh, that said, even though they're long, I recorded them fairly quickly. I didn't have a lot of time to prepare for these lectures. We pretty much had to transition from being in class to out of class like that, like all teachers did. And so they're recorded without a script, and I was pretty much working without a net. I took my slideshows that I presented in class prior to the pandemic, and I just started recording them and putting them up online. So that said, I apologize because they're choppy. I can butcher the English language. My grammar is not the best, and from time to time, I'll slip up a historical fact. So when that happens, I've tried to go back and edit some things out, or I've put something in the notes of the lecture. But overall, what I hope you get with these lectures is a solid, sweeping, interesting, maybe even at times inspirational overview of American history from 1865 to pretty close to present day. So that's it. That's my brief introduction on these lectures. If you're watching these lectures, I really hope that you enjoyed them and that you learn something from them. And I appreciate you watching them. All right. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.